Let me show you the cooking setup of my sailing boat. This is the air fry. It's currently cooking sausage and wedges. 6 sausage and some wedges. It's almost full. It should be good for 2. And I was set at 190 degrees for 30 minutes. And the power was 80%, no 17%. It's using about 60%. The power consumption of air fry is about 1500 watt, and there is a charging power 128 watt. I will go to set later. So yeah, it's AC power this air fryer, and also it's output DC 12 volts, which is powers the cooler which I use to keep the food. And now come back to this is the DC charging port. So I hook this to the battery of the boat. The battery is used for power this electric outboard and is topped by the solar panel. There is a 12 volt 75 amp power lithium battery inside. So yeah, this is the setup, cooking setup of my boat. Hopefully it's helpful for you. Thank you.